Scott Bauer.
Well, first of all, I understood what you said, and none is the only one that's left in the none's the only one that's left in the game here.
Did you get it,
so
Phil?
I got that one.
The chances are slim and none, and Slim just left town, so it's none.
Oh, there
Slim just skipped.
Yeah, there you go.
So
I didn't hear you. I thought you said Flynn left town.
In reality, in reality here, right, with rates so low, like Teddy said, that does put an undercurrent to the stock market, right? Because everyone's looking for yield, everyone's looking for a place to put their money. However, I look at it from the standpoint of look at the other economies, Germany, Japan, every country that you mentioned that does have negative yields right now, their economies are in a shambles, right? If we have to get to that point of negative yields or 0% rates here because of the fact that our economy has slowed down so much and we've really gotten to that recession, I look at that, Liz, as a big fear gauge where, yes, conventional thought might be, okay, there's that underpinning to the market. I look at it as people are going to get really scared and start leaving the market.
Teddy, Phil, Scott, again, 0 to negative rates is not something we should reach for. This is a tough concept to get our arms around. Thank you, gentlemen, very much.